For most political observers, the sight of the Hoboken mayor chatting amiably with the men who have been her political nemesis for the past 2 years is cause for a raised eyebrow. But such is the power of the $230 million federal dollars awarded for the city's winning Rebuild by Design application.
But when the floodwaters receded and the lights came back on, the mile-square city that I once called home refused to be defeated. And led by Mayor Zimmer, this incredible community rose up and developed a bold and ambitious plan to guard itself against future disasters like Sandy.
Post-Sandy funding was at the center of the controversy when Dawn Zimmer made her sensational charges against Lieutenant Governor Kim Guadagno. Flood abatement funding, said Guadagno allegedly, would be tied to the mayor's support of development projects along the city's northwest. Today, the mayor said she was getting nothing but cooperation from the state, which will help to administer the funds.
They've expressed their commitment to work together, and we're going to be meeting with them. And I think everyone is we need to figure out exactly how this partnership is going to work so that things can move expeditiously. So, yes.
Zimmer has made no secret of her disappointment at not getting what she saw as enough aid from the first round of federal Sandy relief funds. The senator said he would be keeping a close eye on how the next round of Sandy funding is managed, taking a not-too-subtle swipe at the governor.
While I was an advocate of having these monies flow through the state and giving greater flexibility, I'm not happy with how that money has flowed to individuals and communities.
But ever the pragmatist, Weehawken Mayor Richard Turner, whose community will also benefit from some of the Build by Design funding, said nothing breeds political cooperation like a couple of $100 million federal dollars.
This is such an important project for not only Weehawken, Hoboken, Jersey City, but for Hudson County, that every level of government is going to cooperate to get it done. When you get $230 million, thanks to the efforts of Senator Menendez, Congressman Sierras, it's too important to let other issues get involved. So
Hoboken continues to boom, with development all along its north shore continuing unabated, while another 30 acres in the northwest lie in wait. But the development prospects will be severely hampered if the city can't get its flooding problems under control. Officials here say that with all the political infighting now over, they can turn their attention to a common enemy, the often unpredictable Hudson River. In Hoboken, I'm David Cruz, NJTV News.